G'day and welcome to my RC channel, Oz RC 101. My name's Ben and today I'll be discussing the HAKRC BL Halley's 10 amp 1 to 2S 4-in-1 ESC board. So as you can see, I've just got this today. I haven't opened it yet. We'll open it up and have a look. And it comes in a really nice little plastic box, which is really quite tough. Very impressed there. If we get it out, we'll have a look what else is in there. So you get the ESC and a couple of cables, but very impressed. There's quite good soldering pads on it too. A lot of these little boards, the soldering pads are quite small, so this looks really good. This is actually going to go into a build that I'm making at the moment, and it's a 3D printed build. It's much like one of your tiny whoops, but it's a little bit bigger. Here's a quick peek at it. So in the description link I'll put where you can get this from, and yeah, hopefully it helps someone out there. It's got a constant current of 10 amps and a peak current of 14 amps. You can do 1 to 2S, and the mounting holes on it are spaced 16 mil apart, and they're 2 mil in diameter. It's got no back on it, so you will, if you're running a little FPV camera and you're running a 2S battery on it, you'll need some sort of DC to DC buck converter. They're pretty cheap and you can get one pretty light. And it's got the BL Halley's firmware already installed on it. So I hope this helps someone out there. I'm very impressed, and it only weighs 2 grams, which is that's fantastic. All right, all the best, and I'll see you soon.